Here we are, children. Here we are at New Gokul, the cow barn of Bhaktivedanta Manor. Let's go look for some cows. Follow me. Oh, cow, 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 cow. Wait, that's not a real cow. Let's go this way. Ooh, okay, we'll wash our hands. And cows, cows! So many cows, so many cows! Wow! Oh, hello. Oh, do you know where the cow milker is? We're looking for the cow milker. Oh, it's this way. Okay, thank you. Hey, it's Sari Goranga, the milker. Hare Krishna. Oh, we're going to follow you. Okay, let's follow Sari Goranga. Oh, where are we, children? Oh, okay, yep, we'll carry on following you. So we're following Sari Goranga. He's going to show us exactly how he milks a cow. I wonder if I can try milking a cow too. Oh, what is he doing first? He's closing the gates. You see, the cows don't understand our language. Not always. So he has to make it very, very simple for them so they know which way to go. So he closes all the possible entrances and opens up one gate, especially so the cow knows which way to go. Okay, so he gets his cow herding stick. Oh, look, it's Gauri. Gauri's waiting. She can't wait to be milked. This is Sari milking Gauri. I think we should make a rhyme out of that. Come on, Gauri, we're going to watch you get milked. Oh, wow, look at her. She must have a lovely little calf born. Oh, did you notice her udders? They're very large. They must be full of milk. Oh my goodness, children, did you see that? Gauri knew exactly where to go. And now he's closing the gate so she knows, okay, I'll stay here until I get milked. Now first, Sari starts to wash his hands. We must always wash our hands, children, before we milk the cow. In the meantime, let me give you a little stroke. Hey, coochie, 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 coochie. Oh, now he's washing the teats. The udders and the teats. Oh, was that a little bit ticklish, Gauri? He splashed water on the teats and now he's using a cloth to clean the teats. Make it really nice and clean because... Oh, hello. Oh, I think Gauri really wants to see what we're doing. Oh, and now he's going to dry the teats. First it was wet and now it's being dried. Oh, look. He's going to grease his hands, make his hands nice and greasy so it'll be so easy to milk the cow. Oh, I think it was oil, a little bit of olive oil. And oh, look at that. Oh, now, did you see that, children? He squeezed out a little bit of milk on the floor. And that's just in case there's anything inside the first bit of milk. So he lets that just run on the floor and then he washed it out and oh! Gauri, you're getting a cheeky treat while you're being milked. So Gauri's munching away happily while she's being milked. Look at that. Do you see how he's milking the cow? Wow. Oh my goodness. I think I want to try doing this too. Oh, children, shall I try and milk the cow too? Oh, that looks so satisfying, doesn't it? Oh, wow. Now, children, he pours the first little bit out. He hasn't finished yet, but he pours that bit out in case Gauri gets a little bit ticklish again and kicks the bucket by mistake. So at least there's some milk saved. And then he carries on milking. Oh, I want to try. I really, really, really want to try. Oh, please, can I have a go? Yay! I get to have a go. Woohoo! Let me grease my hands. Don't worry, children, I've washed them as well. And let's have a go. Oh, this feels lovely. Oh, children, you've got to try milking a cow. Oh, it's so therapeutic. And I'm actually getting some milk coming out. I tried to squirt the milkman, but I'm not very good at squirting the milkman. I try to squirt him just the way Krishna squirts sometimes when he's milking. Look at that. Look, I'm actually getting some milk coming out from Gauri. Thank you, Gauri. Hey, children, can you see how many teats there are? The teats are the little things that I'm holding to get the milk out. Can you see how many there are? How many teats does a cow have? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 4 teats. I'm sorry, Sauri, Gauranga. Prabhu, we have to go now. We have to get back to the story. Hare Krishna, thank you so much. This was so much fun. Bye-bye.